Have you ever looked at someone successful and wondered, why does everything seems to work for them? Is it luck? Is it money? Is it talent? The truth is most successful people are not born different. They simply think differently. They make better choices, stay calm during problem and never stop learning. So welcome to Talk with Honey. In this video we are going to talk about that kind of power that no one can take away from you. The power of your mind, your habits and your attitude. If you learn these lessons and practice them every day, you can slowly change your life. No matter where you are starting, let's begin. Control yourself before you try to control anything else. Many people want to change the world, but they cannot control their own emotions. When someone criticizes them, they become angry. When they fail once, they want to quit. When they see someone else's success, they feel jealous. Real strength begins when you learn to control your own mind. A calm person make better decisions than an angry person. A patient person win more opportunities than an impatient one. Every time you control your emotion instead of letting your emotions control you, you become stronger. Remember this. Your biggest battle is not against other people, it is against your own fear, anger, and doubt. Think before you speak. Words are powerful. One sentence can build a friendship, one sentence can destroy a year of trust. Smart people do not speak just to impress others. They listen carefully, they understand first, then they speak. Before saying something, ask yourself three questions. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it necessary? If the answer is no, silence is often the better choice. Sometimes saying less makes people respect you more. Never stop learning. The world changes every day. New technology appear, new opportunities are created, new skills become valuable. The person who keeps learning never becomes outdated. Read books, watch educational videos, learn from successful people, learn from your mistake. Even failure become valuable if you learn something from it. Knowledge is the one investment that always gives return. Build good habits. Success is not created in one day, it is created by small actions repeated every day. Wake up on time, exercise, read for 20 minutes, learn one new thing, save a little money, help someone. These small habits may look important today, but after 1 year, they completely change your life. Never underestimate small improvement. Small step become big success. Choose your friend carefully. The people around you shape your future. If friends complain all day, you may also become negative. If they waste time, you may start wasting time too. But if your friends work hard, big dream, and support each other, you also begin to grow. Choose people who inspire you, choose people who encourage you, choose people who tell you the truth even when it is difficult. Good friends make you stronger. Bad company slowly steals your dream. Stop comparing yourself. Social media shows only the best moment of people's lives. You do not see their failure, you do not see their struggle. So, comparing yourself to them is unfair. Your journey is different, your timing is different. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself than yesterday. That is the comparison that truly matters. Confidence comes from action. Many people wait until they feel confident, but confidence does not come first, action comes first. The more you practice, the more you confident you become. Speak even your voice shake. Apply for the job, start the business, create the YouTube channel, take the first step. Every successful person once felt afraid. The difference is that they acted anyway. Protect your time. Time is your most valuable resource. Money lost can be earned again. Time lost never returns. Spend less time arguing. Spend less time scrolling without purpose. Spend more time building your future. Every hour you invest in yourself today creates a better tomorrow. Ask yourself every morning, will today's action bring me closer to my dream? If the answer is yes, keep going. Learn from every failure. Failure is not the end, failure is feedback. Thomas Edison tested thousands of ideas before creating a successful light bulb. Listen more than you speak. Most people want to be heard. Very few people listen carefully. When someone is talking, don't think about what you will say next. Listen carefully, understand their feeling, ask questions. When people feel heard, they trust you more. A good listener learns more than a person who talks all the time. Remember, listening is not a weakness, it is powerful skill. Be honest and keep your word. Trust takes years to build, but only a few seconds to break. If you promise something, do your best to keep that promise. If you cannot explain honestly, people may forgive mistakes, but they rarely forget broken trust. Your reputation is built by your daily action. Be the kind of person whose word match their action. When the people trust you, they will want to work with you and support you. Stay calm during argument. Disagreements are a part of life, but shouting, insulting, or losing control only makes the situation worse. Strong people stay calm. They try to understand the other person's point of view. They solve problems instead of creating new ones. Sometimes the biggest victory is walking away from an unnecessary argument. Protect your peace. Not every battle deserves your energy. Learn to say no. Many people say yes because they are afraid of disappointing others, but saying yes to everything often means saying no to your own goal. Respect your time, respect your energy. If something does not match your value on your priorities, it is okay to politely refuse. A simply and respectful no is better than making a promise cannot keep. People respect those who have healthy boundaries. Celebrate other people's success. Jealousy steals happiness. Instead of asking why did they succeed, ask what can I learn from them. Successful people do not fear someone else's success. They use it as motivation. Celebrate your friend's achievement. Support your family dreams. Encourage your teammates. When you spread positive energy, people naturally enjoy being around you. Stay away from negative people. Some people complain about everything, some blame others for every problem, some always spread fear and doubt. If you spend too much time with negative people, their thinking slowly became your thinking. Choose friends who inspire you. Choose people who encourage growth. Spend time with those who push you to become better. The people around you influence your future more than you realize. Be humble. Confidence is attractive. Arrogance is not. No matter how successful you become, stay humble. Keep learning. Accept your mistake. Respect people no matter who they are. A humble person continues to grow because they know there is always more to learn. Pride often closes doors, humility opens them. Learn from every person. Every person knows something you don't. Every teacher has knowledge. A child has curiosity. A worker has experience. An entrepreneur has lesson from success and failure. Never think you know everything. Keep your mind open. Every conversation can teach you something valuable. Life itself is a classroom. Help others without expecting rewards. Helping people is never a waste. Sometimes your kindness come back in unexpected ways. Sometimes it simply makes the world a little better. Hold the door open, share your knowledge, support someone who is struggling, encourage a friend who wants to give up. A small act of kindness create a strong relationship. The richest people are not always those with the most money. They are often the one who make the biggest positive difference in the other people's lives. Build a good reputation. People remember how you make them feel. Be respectful, be honest, be dependable. Work hard even no one is watching you, but your reputation becomes your introduction. Before you even enter the room. Protect it carefully. A good reputation attract opportunities. A bad reputation closes doors. Choose your action wisely every day. Life is not about becoming successful, it is also about becoming someone others can trust and respect. Listen carefully, speak kindly, keep your promises, stay humble, celebrate the success of others, help whenever you can. These simple habits may not bring instant result, but over the time they build a strong character. A character is something no one can take away from you. Thank you for watching Talk Shack with Honey. So, as I discussed, we learned that real strength starts from within. We talk about building trust and strong relationship, and we will focus on something that can completely change your future, making smart decision and becoming the leader of your own life. Every day we make choices. Every choice, some choice help us grow, others take us away from our goals. The quality of your life depends on the quality of your decision. Let's begin. Think before you act. Many people make decisions when they are angry, excited, or afraid. Think before you act. Many people make decisions when they are angry, excited, or afraid. Later they regret them. Successful people pause before making important choices. They ask themselves, what will happen if I choose this? What could go wrong? Is this helping for my future or only for my feelings right now? A few minutes of careful thinking can save you from years of regret. Patience is often the smartest decision. Have a clear goal. Imagine getting into a car without knowing where you want to go. You might drive for hours and still not reach the right place. Life works the same way. Without a goal, you can stay busy without making real progress. Write down your dream. Maybe you want to start a business, become a doctor, build a successful YouTube channel, support your family. Whatever your dream is, make it clear. A clear goal gives you daily action meaning. Focus on what you can control. There are many things in a life you cannot control. You cannot control the weather, you cannot control what other people think, you cannot control the past, but you can control your attitude, you can control your effort, you can control how you spend your time. When you focus on what you can change, your energy becomes productive. Stop worrying about things outside your control. Start improving the things that are in your hand. Learn to solve problems. Problems are a part of every successful life. Instead of asking why is this happening to me, ask what can I do about it. Every problem has a lesson. Every challenge makes you stronger if you face it with courage. The people who succeed are not those who avoid problems. They are the ones who learn how to solve them. Discipline is the more powerful than motivation. Motivation feels great, but motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Some days you will not feel like working. Some days you will feel tired. Those are the days when discipline matters most. Keep showing up, keep practicing, keep improving. Small daily efforts create big result over time. Success is built by consistency, not by excitement. Learn from your mistake. Everyone makes mistake. The difference is how people respond. Some people blame others, some people quit. Successful people ask, what did this teach me? Every mistake is a chance to become wiser. Do not be afraid of failure. Be afraid of repeating the same mistake without learning from it. Be ready for change. The world is changing faster than ever. New skills are needed, new opportunities appear every year. People who refuse to learn are left behind. Stay curious, learn new technologies, improve your communication, read books, take courses. Growth begins when you are willing to adopt. Lead by example. A true leader does not only give advice, a true leader sets an example. If you want respect, show respect. If you want honesty, be honest. If you want hardworking people around you, work hard yourself. People watch your action more than your words. Lead through your behavior. Your example has the power to inspire others. Your example has the power to inspire others. Stay humble when you succeed. Success is a wonderful feeling, but success should never make you forget where you came from. Stay kind, stay thankful, continue learning, help others whenever you can. The greatest people are often the most humble. Humility keeps your mind open, your heart grounded. Never give up on your dream. Every successful person has faced rejection. Every successful person has experienced failure. The difference is that they kept going. Your dream you may take longer than you expected. You may face obstacles, people may doubt you, but if your goal is meaningful, do not stop. Progress may be slow, but slow progress is still progress. One step every day is enough to move closer to your future. Success is not about making one perfect decision, it is about making good choices again and again. Think before you act, stay disciplined, learn from mistake, adopt to change, lead by example, remain humble, and never stop moving towards your goal. Remember, the strongest leader is the one who first learn to lead themselves. So this is our motivational series. We learn how to build confidence, earn people trust, make smart decisions, and become the leader of your own life. We will talk about something even more important. Success is not only about money, fame, or power. True success is about becoming a person who lives the purpose, helps others, and never stops growing. Let's begin. Every great achievement begins with one simple belief: I can do it. Believe in yourself. Every great achievement begins with one simple belief: I can do this. If you don't believe in yourself, it becomes difficult for others to believe in you. There will always be people who say your dreams are too big. Some may laugh, some may doubt you, but remember, their opinion doesn't decide your future. Your hard work does. So believe in your ability to learn, believe in your ability to improve. Every expert wants a beginner. Be patient. We live in a world where everyone wants quick result. People want success in 1 month. They want money without effort. They want respect without earning it. But real success takes time. A tree does not grow overnight. A strong building is not built in one day. Your dream also need time. Keep working, keep learning, keep improving. One day your patience will become your biggest reward. Take responsibility. It is easy to blame the other people. It is easy to blame luck. It is easy to blame circumstances. But successful people ask themselves, what can I do better? What you take responsibility of your action, you take control of your future. Your past may not be your choice, but your next step is focus on what you can improve today. Protect your character. Money can be lost, a job can change, even success can come and go, but your character stays with you. Be honest, be respectful, be kind, keep your promises, do the right thing even when no one is watching. People may forget what you say. People may forget what you said. They may forget what you achieved, but they will remember the kind of person you were. Never stop growing. Learning does not end after school. Life itself is the greatest teacher. Read books, listen to people, listen to successful people, learn new skills, accept feedback. Every day is an opportunity to become a better version of your life. The moment you think you know everything, your growth stop. Stay curious, stay humble, keep learning, turn problems into opportunities. Every successful person has faced difficulties. Some lost money, some failed in business, some were rejected many times. Instead of giving up, they looked for new solution. Problem can teach patience. Failure can teach wisdom. Challenges can build confidence. Whenever life become difficult, ask yourself, what is this experience trying to teach me? Sometimes the greatest opportunity is hidden inside the biggest challenge. Leave a positive impact. At the end of life, people will not remember how expensive your phone was. They will not remember how many followers you had. They will remember how you treated people. Did you encourage others? Did you help someone in need? Did you inspire people to become better? Real success is measured by the positive difference you make in the lives for others. Even a small act of kindness can change someone's day. Never underestimate your ability to make a difference. Stay consistent. Many people start with excitement, very few continue when life becomes difficult. Consistency is what separates dreamers from achievers. Keep showing up, keep practicing, keep improving. Some days your progress will be fast, some days it will be slow, but every step forward matters. Never Never stop because results are taking time. Great things are built one day at a time. Be thankful. Gratitude changes the way you see life. Instead of focusing only on what you don't have, appreciate what you already have. Be thankful for your family. Be thankful for your health. Be thankful for every lesson, even the difficult one. A grateful heart finds happiness even during hard times. When you appreciate today's blessing, you become stronger for tomorrow's challenge. Keep moving forward. Life is full of up and downs. Some days will be wonderful. Some days will test your patience. Do not let one bad make you forget your dream. Stand up after every failure. Learn from every mistake. Celebrate every small victory. Never stop believing in yourself. Your future is created by what you do today, not by what happened yesterday. As long as you keep moving forward, you are making progress. Celebrate every small victory. Never stop believing in yourself. Your future is created by what you do today, not by what happened yesterday. As long as you keep moving forward, you are making progress. As we come to the end of this series, remember these simple truth. As we come to end of this series, remember these simple truth. Believe in yourself, work hard every day, treat people with kindness and respect, learn from your mistakes, stay patient, stay disciplined, never stop growing, and never give up on your dream. Success is not a destination, it is a journey of learning, improving, and becoming better person every single day. No matter where you come from, no matter how many times you have failed, no matter how difficult life seems right now, Your next decision can be beginning of a new chapter. Start today. Take one small step, then take another. Your future is waiting for you. Thank you for being part of Talk Shock with Honey. If you enjoyed this series, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Share this video with someone who need motivation today. Until we meet again, remember this. Your greatest competition is a person you were yesterday. Until we meet again, remember this. Your greatest competition is the person you were yesterday. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you, and see you in the next video.